looking for the surprise. They're looking for the surprise.
Oh, y'all gotta see when y'all going. All right, bro. Well, I'm gonna hit you up in a few.
Oh, no.
All right.
I'm so excited. I'm so excited.
All right, you guys. All right, so what's up? So we are at the townhouse, and we are getting ready to go inside. We just picked up Kylie and Cadence. They actually were with my mom this whole time, so they have no idea. So we are about to catch their genuine reaction.
So I'm in the car, but I am getting out of the car.
Yeah, she's vlogging for y'all.
So excited.
So excited. Okay. No, you don't have to close your eyes.
I'm so glad.
You don't have to close your eyes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Daddy? I thought it was a surprise of a whole bunch of LOLs.
He thought it was LOLs.
You know, there's a whole bunch of them.
Yeah. No, it's no LOLs.
LOLs.
Y'all see anything different?
What's different?
All of this?
Yeah, all this.
I don't like our home.
You don't like our house? Why not? Oh, okay. Why are you crying? Oh, come here. Okay. Cadence, why are you crying? Huh? You say what happened to our house?
I don't like our house.
You don't like our house? You don't like it? Oh, come give me hugs. Oh. Hey, so you don't want to see upstairs?
I do.
You do? Okay. Where's the dollhouse?
No, where's the dollhouse?
Where's the dollhouse?
Mm-hmm.
You don't see the dollhouse? I don't see the dollhouse either. I just see a whole bunch of stuff left back. So what happened to all the stuff?
Packed up.
It's packed up.
And where's that picture?
Y'all pictures too?
And we're missing. Where's your bed?
Yeah, where is our bed?
Where do you want to sleep?
We're gonna sleep on the floor.
Ah! How about on the couch?
Yeah, maybe we'll sleep on the couch. Y'all okay with that if we sleep on the couch?
What happened to you? You bathroom. What happened to you? Stop. What happened to the lights? What happened to the lights?
I don't know. Okay, so come, let's go downstairs to Daddy. Okay?
No. What happened to your closet?
Yeah, you see the closet?
And what happened to our bathroom?
Yeah, y'all bathroom too.
Mommy, I don't believe this.
You don't believe this?
I'm going to fire in because it smells disgusting.
That's empty.
Better.
Hmm.
I'm going to...
Ain't nothing in there. It's empty. You smell disgusting. So you spraying everything. Don't point that at your face. I'm so happy it's empty because you would have sprayed that in your face. Put that down, please. You have people thinking.
What happened to our...
Okay, y'all, come on. Let's go downstairs so we can talk to Daddy.
And what happened
babe.
to our door?
I know. You see everything?
Let me see our toys. And where's our toy box?
And your toy box, yep.
I'm missing old toy box.
You miss your old toy box? Okay, well listen, we gotta tell you something, okay? All right, y'all sit down over here. Cadence, come sit. All right. Babe, where you at?
Right.
Okay. All right, you guys. So, the reason why everything is gone from here is because guess what?
We're moving.
We already moved. So, all of our stuff is at the new place. And guess what? So,
Oh, my lip or you did that. Now I need an ice pack.
you don't need no ice pack, girl. Just get the stick out your mouth. Don't put that stick in your mouth. Okay. So, what we're going to do is later on, we have a few birthday parties to go to. We're going to go ahead and go to the birthday parties.
I'm going to tell someone.
You going to tell everyone?
And then they said, what, you are moving today?
Well, you already moved. Mommy and Daddy did all the moving.
I'm moving today.
Yeah. So, you guys have a new room.
Where?
You have a new room.
Do you go see the room right now?
No, because we got birthday parties to go to, remember? So after we go to the birthday parties, we're going to show you guys your room, okay? Get down, get down, get down, get down. Okay?
Okay.
So are y'all excited?
Yeah.
Okay, so we'll pick this back up later on.
Happy birthday, dear Kitty. Happy birthday to you.
Seven. Okay. I just want to get it. 1, 2, 3, 7. Please look at it and pretend. Blow. 1, 2, 3.
We need to make a wish.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Did he get you? Did he get you? I didn't get you. He didn't get you. Oh, I thought he got you. Oh, I thought he got her. All right, last birthday party, last slide for the birthday party. Come on, Kay, where you at, Mama? Okay, come on. Last slide for the birthday party. Then we're going to party number 2. Y'all gonna do it together?
Yeah, can you want to go to my lap again? Yeah.
All right, 1, 2, 3, go. All right, last slide for the birthday party. Y'all go put your shoes on. Let's go to Auntie house.
Okay. It's a birthday now?
Yeah, we're going to Auntie birthday now.
I'm going. Sorry, I'm about to leave. Sorry.
Okay, come on, go get your shoes so you can put it on. That's for Jamaya. Oh.
I got it. Come on, upstairs. On the way up the stairs. Come on, go. Turn the light on, hit the switch. Right here. Goes right there, man. All right, hey, come on. Come on, y'all haven't even seen it yet. Come on. Go. What you
Thank
think?
you. Thank you. I love it. I love it so much.
Did you see your bathroom?
Look at your bathroom.
Take off my shoes. That's all.
Come look at your bathroom.
Oh, I like it.
Did you see the tub?
Uh-huh.
You didn't look at the tub.
Oh my goodness.
It's a big tub. Come and look at your closet.
I know. You can have a switch to turn it on. Oh. Wait. Whose Barbie is that?
Mommy's. What y'all think?
I like it. Thank you. Thank you. Grab toys out of it. You
Mhm.
grab toys out of it. Oh.
All right.
Daddy, thank you. I want to stay here.
We are staying here, baby. This is your room.
Yeah. Mom, Daddy, maybe we can end his. So now we could probably all clean up our stuff. We can start cleaning up our stuff. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
And
Yeah.
I like this rug.
Niecy got that for y'all. Niecy got that for y'all. She got one of the words in y'all bathroom and some of the little stuff in y'all bathroom. So y'all say thank you, Niecy.
Thank you, Niecy.
Yeah. And mommy bought some more stuff so we can decorate y'all wall.
And I like this.
Mm.
And
Well, I gotta hook y'all TV and stuff up, but y'all won't need the TV tonight.
yeah, cause
We'll work on it
and
tomorrow.
Bert now.
What about tomorrow?
Where's our room?